Hi, everybody. Today is Tea with Me, and I will be speaking about a very simple topic. What I have been doing with the fragrances recently is that not much because now, as I had to stay at home for long time because of this, coronavirus situation. So naturally, I wasn't using fragrances a lot. So for an example, maybe I tried some fragrances here and there, but I am not that person that would use the fragrance very often in the home situation, although I did try it. So from the ones that I try, it was like this very expensive fragrance. Etro is the brand. It's kind of like it's not like a niche, but looks like a niche, but actually it's more designer fragrance. I will talk about them later. I was very happy about it because I can feel the quality in them. I was even trying fragrances to apply before going to bed, although I wouldn't recommend you guys to do that because I think the night sleep is very important for us, and I think it should be. I don't think it should be disturbed with any chemical substances. But I did try some of the fragrances just to apply before going to bed, but very little. So because I was just speaking about the sleep, I will come back to the same topic about sleeping topic. It's a very, very practical topic because, I would like to give you advice about it. So, let's say now, as most of us had to stay at home for a long time, and maybe we will as well. So, let's say if you have something at home that disturbs you, it's very good to have earplugs at home. So, I discovered recently I bought on Amazon these deep sleep earplugs. Deep sleep earplugs, and they are made from silicone, and basically they are much better earplugs than hold on a second. They are much better earplugs than you have seen before, because I will just open it at the moment. So they are made from silicone. It's not like made from that like a spongy material that normally they are made from. So once you take it, they look kind of like this, and they are kind of, I don't think it's focusing very well, isn't it? So they are kind of very, hold on a second. How do I do? So basically they look like this, and you can mold them into the shape that you like. For an example, what you can do is you can just kind of do like this, into the shape as that would fit into your ear, and then you just kind of mold it, to whatever shape you like. It's actually, I have never seen this before, and it really made me super, super happy, because they are different, and kind of, I felt like they are kind of quality earplugs that I ever had. And also it says here basically soft silicone earplugs for sleeping, and I bought it on Amazon. You can also wash it, so it says use warm soapy water or antibacterial gel, and you can gently rinse it. So basically it's kind of reusable, it can be cleaned and reused, these earplugs. So if any of you have situations that are disturbing at home or whatever, maybe people are snoring, or maybe your neighbors are doing something, or maybe you just simply like to sleep peacefully at home, I would recommend you to take your time to discover, to buy new earplugs for yourself, because you can just simply have a very restful sleep. So I think that's all what I would like to speak to you guys today, and I'll be back to you very, very soon, and bye bye.